When receiving the goods, there is a tester, power cord, grounding cable, red discharge cable, and black discharge cable. Now let's introduce how to connect. Firstly, connect the power cord to the tester, and the other terminal connects to the socket. Then connect the grounding wire to the grounding port. Next, connect red cable to the positive pole of tester and tighten it to right. The small red cable voltage cable connects to the positive pole of tester. The other terminal of cable connects to the positive pole of batteries. Then connect the black cable to the negative pole of tester and tighten it to right. The small black cable voltage cable connects to the negative pole of the tester. The other terminal of cable connects to the negative pole of batteries. Now let us connect the cell monitor module. One set of cell monitor module can connect 12 cell battery. For example, 12 cell battery. It only needs one set of cell monitor module. Firstly, you get a cell voltage module cable and divide it into two strand cables. One strand cable is a red cable and black cable. The other strand cable is a blue cable and yellow cable. Each yellow cable is with serial number. The connection sequence must not be mistaken. Firstly, blue cable number 0 connects with the total negative pole of the number E battery. Yellow cable number 1 connects with the positive pole of the number R battery. As per the same connection, yellow 12 number connects with the positive pole of 12 number battery. The black clip connects to the negative pole of 12 full battery. Red clip connects to the positive pole of 12 full battery. Then connect to the cell monitor module. Please note that the indicator green light is on after the connection is OK. At last, you can connect the antenna. Find the antenna and screw in the antenna hole on the black panel of the tester. Then click Discharge Test and enter into the test template and click to modify the parameters. Set the maximum discharge current. Turn on the cell monitor and choose Communication Mode DOS. Select the corresponding discharge voltage. Then set the number of allowed bad cells. Set the cell order from negative or positive. Then set the interval of storage data and select the cell voltage of the battery. After setting the cells quantity as per the actual cell batteries, set the quantity of cell monitor module and the battery capacity. Then select sensor as internal. If you need to revise the parameter and click Modify. After the setting is complete, click Confirm. Confirm to enter the discharge test interface. Then set discharge parameters, battery capacity, discharge time. Single cell voltage low limit. Set the group voltage low limit and discharge current 3.8A. Click Cell to enter into cell monitor and check all cell batteries. After monitoring all cell batteries and clicking back, the connection is OK and the setting parameter is no problem. At last, you can turn on the air switch and start to discharge test.